Today we'll be doing a quick unboxing and overview of the Shimano Socorro SW8000. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. First off, we'll have the reel, your handle, a few washers, and some reading materials. This reel features Shimano's Sagani gearing and X-Ship technology, a very smooth retrieve that all Shimano reels are known for. You'll have a nice loud audible drag system. Here we'll have your line capacity in both mono and braid. Has a 4.9:1 gear ratio and 27 pounds of max drag. If you guys have any more questions, be sure to leave them down below. And thanks for watching.